Hey guys, what's up? Mike here with the watch list video for Tuesday, January 30th. The SPY just pushing, the melt up continues, just pushing to new all-time highs. Very impressive. Look at 5-minute candles though. I want to say for the first 3 or 4 hours, the thing was in like a $1.10 range or something, maybe a little bit more than that. But it was just dead, and then I think it's a short squeeze, a slow short squeeze in progress. There may be some big money out there that can't put together why the market should be up, so they're shorting, and the only way out of a short is to cover. I don't know, but it's impressive, right, the strength in this market. Let me throw this over real quick. Pause the video and read that if you haven't, right? Short version, I'm a day trader in cash every night. I'm going to focus on in-play stocks to possibly trade on an intraday basis on the following day. So RNA, let me just real quick go over that. That was on watch coming into today. Wayne gave the 1250 break idea, which happened right there, the earlier high, 1249. So through the half with yesterday, meaning Friday's high, right above as another catalyst. I think he said about 25 cents is what he was risking, and it went to, I'm not exactly sure, let's see, RNA went to 1305. So what is that, 55-cent move on 25 cents risk? Again, nothing great, but it was a nice, slow, steady moving trade. So a nice, easy trade, if you will. Nice call by Wayne. I gave the idea for rum early, and I did trade this one. I pointed out early, this is the opening candle today, right? So I pointed out early that it topped at 629, and yesterday, meaning Friday's high, was 638. In other words, not far above. So I tried it back through the highs, thinking maybe it gets through Friday's high, and it did. And I sold, parts into this push. Still had some left as it came back down, but I hit out flat on the rest, and then it went a little bit higher later. So really nothing to write home about from today. But I was also pulled in and out of my office today, so I may have missed some really nice trades. But that's all I've got as far as a couple that I'm aware of. Let me go into what we're watching for tomorrow. Remember, I'm trying to focus on in-play stocks. So ONMD, big rip today, maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. ZIM, I liked it. It topped out just just above a whole number of 15. So it's really interesting to me back through 15 tomorrow, knowing that you have another catalyst of 1537. Catalyst meaning the most recent high, and then it's kind of blue skies above that. So I like the looks of that one. KURA, I had on bounce watch today. I never did catch a trade in it, but it did put in a nice green candle. So maybe after the gap up and then the pullback, maybe this was the low today and it's up from here. We'll see. It goes on a chart. LUNR, let me zoom in so you can see this better. All right, put the horizontal line there. I mean, it's kind of near a little mini breakout. So that one goes on watch. ACET, let me pan back out a little bit now. You had a recent high, was a few weeks ago, right? 377, came back down, found support at the 20-day, and it's starting to curl back up, and bigger volume today than even on this last push. So I like the looks of this one. PLUG is generally a pretty narrow day average ATR. The daily range of it, the average range on a given day. I'm not even sure what the T stands for. Average true range. I'm not even sure. 403. I'll get it right. Right here, 403, most recent high, pulled back and is starting to curl back up again. Kind of interesting over that level. We'll see. Again, not my favorite by any stretch. TNYA, really nice run, pullback, and already starting to head back up. DWAC had that huge move, and now it's chopping sideways. No trades in it today, but I've got to have it on watch. I did have a trade in rum today, and I do like the looks of that one. FATE, F-A-T-E, nice pop today. Maybe a follow-through session tomorrow. NEXI, crazy stock, absolutely crazy. But I am going to keep it on watch and see if we get an A+ setup in it. SLDP, I had it on watch for a couple days, took it off watch for today, and that's kind of when it did that breakout, right? See that horizontal line there? But you do have another kind of recent high right about where it topped out. I don't know. It feels like it needs to rest after that, but it's already had 3 green days in a row. But keep it on your radar. FGEN, nice little breakout today. Maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. And then Lucid LCID, big volume today. We'll watch that one tomorrow, and we'll add other gappers to this list as we always do in the pre-market. I'm done babbling. I'll see you in chat.